I think there's been a structural shift in the Asian market where investors have significant capital to deploy, and as they've seen the Asian markets reprice somewhat, they're looking to deploy that outside of Asia and in particular into Europe and the US. So we're seeing the larger sovereign wealth funds, insurance companies and also high net worth investors looking to put significant amounts of capital to play into Europe. The initial investment strategies have been more of a core focus, sometimes looking at trophy assets, and the main focus is on the key cities in Europe, so London, Paris and the major German cities as well. So we've got a big group of investors who are going the direct route, and those are some of the sovereigns and larger institutional investors. The middle-sized institutions are looking at it in slightly different ways. Some of them are looking to work with managers using separate accounts to build their own portfolios, and what we're now seeing emerge, particularly in some of the smaller markets within Asia, such as Korea, Taiwan, even Thailand, we're starting to see them also looking at fund vehicles as a way of accessing real estate. I think again the larger investors will focus on building up very significant portfolios in Europe. I don't think they've finished their investment strategies and requirements in, say, London and Paris and the German cities, but as they start to build those portfolios, there is no doubt they'll start to look at other European countries, and I think Spain, Italy and also parts of Benelux will certainly benefit. We've seen some of those investors start to look as well at Central Europe, so they'll continue to deploy into the main sort of established Western European markets, and then they'll emerge and evolve from there. So far the concentration has been on offices and retail, a little bit of interest in logistics, but I think that again will follow. I think there's little doubt that the overall strategy these Asian investors have adopted is to look at European prices and to say that for very high quality assets, in relative terms, some of those assets are pricing attractively and they're building up their portfolios in that way.